Ready to stop babysitting your charcoal or fiddling with gas knobs, and finally taste what real wood-fired flavor does to your Sunday dinner. If you've been looking for a way to get legendary, competition-style barbecue results in your own backyard without needing an engineering degree to operate your grill, the Traeger Pro 22 is the gold standard for a reason. This isn't just a grill, it's an effortless, set-it-and-forget-it, wood-fired cooking machine that makes you look like a pitmaster every single time you fire it up. What makes the Pro 22 such an enduring favorite is how it balances professional-grade performance with absolute simplicity. It features Traeger's rock-solid Digital Pro controller, which takes the guesswork out of temperature management. Whether you're slow smoking a brisket for 12 hours at a precise low heat or cranking it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to get a perfect sear on some burgers, this grill maintains consistent temperatures that you just can't get with traditional methods. You're getting a massive 572 square inches of cooking space, which is plenty of room to feed a crowd. Think 5 whole racks of ribs for whole chickens, or 24 burgers at once. The 18 pounds hopper capacity means you can load it up, set your temp, and walk away to enjoy your day while the grill does the heavy lifting, infusing your food with that deep, authentic wood-fired taste that only 100% natural hardwood pellets can provide. Plus, with the included meat probe, you can monitor your food's internal temperature right from the digital display without ever having to lift the lid and lose that precious, flavor-packed smoke. This grill is built to last, featuring a rugged sawhorse chassis, all-terrain wheels for easy movement around your patio, and porcelain-coated grates that make cleanup quick and painless. It delivers the ultimate 6-in-1 versatility: grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue, all in one stylish, bronze-finished package. If you're ready to stop working the grill and start enjoying the best-tasting meals of your life, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. If you are ready to revolutionize your outdoor cooking, you can find the best price for the Traeger Pro 22 wood pellet grill by clicking the link below.